Welcome back to a new video, guys. In today's video we're going to be going for a POV drive in the Volkswagen Polo. For those of you that don't know, this is my 1.2 TDI diesel. It's a Blue Motion 2012 edition car. Right, so I'm just going to take you guys for a little spin to beautiful city, to be fair. It's not really a city, but it's called Southwick. And yeah, I love driving this car, honestly. This car, the Polo, is the 6R. I'm not too sure what the older generations are like, right? But the 6R is, I think, one of the best cars I've owned. Easy on maintenance, like this car is so cheap on maintenance and things like that. Oh, have a look at these views, people. Let me sit back so you guys can see that properly. This is the first time I've actually driven this car this fast in about a month and a bit, because the car was broken. It's been broken for about a month or so. I've been taking it to different places to get it diagnosed, and yeah, the whole thing has just been a nightmare. I was even going to scrap it at some point, and I'm so glad that I ended up fixing it myself and not having to scrap it, because if I had listened to the information I was being given by some mechanics I took it to, this would have gone to the scrapyard, and it would have been such a shame to see such a lovely car go to the scrapyard. The video on me fixing the issue that I had with this car is going to be up here somewhere once it comes out, so it'll be up here somewhere. But yeah, it's the first time I've actually gone this fast in it, or driven it like this. Today's the first day of driving it. This was broken down for about a month or so. When it broke down, I bought a replacement. The plan was to get rid of this Polo, because obviously it was broken and it was going to cost me a lot to fix it, according to some of the information I was hearing. And in that space and time, I obviously needed a vehicle, so I've picked up a new car. It's going to be coming up. I'm going to be showing that on the channel soon, and yeah, I'm excited for what we might be doing to that car, because yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. All right, let's get going. Yeah, I'm really excited about what the future is gonna bring. Yeah, and I just can't wait to start this journey. Like, I love cars. For, you know, some of you might not know this, but if you don't know this, I just love them, you know? And I just can't wait to modify more of them, buy more of them, sell more of them, because it's something I enjoy doing, you know? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching the journey.